Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner and be sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log in to one of your apps and click on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. In order to add a password from those settings, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Now you can enter your website data or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. In my case, Facebook. Finally, enter your username or email. Enter a password over here and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!